Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can control music in Beats Studio, such as play, pause, skip, or volume up or volume down. Okay, so on your headphone, if you look on the left hand side, there is a button here. There is a round button and outer round button. So there are two buttons in here. If you want to pause or play music, you press on this logo right here. This will play the music. Press it again will allow you to pause or play music. Okay, to skip to the next songs, you quickly press on the button twice like this. 1, 2. This will allow you to go to the next songs. So if you take a look here, if I press on it, it will go to the next song. Pressing it once will allow me to play the music. Pressing it will allow me to pause. And if I press on the button at the top here, there is the top button. So you press on the top button here. This will allow you to increase the music. Press on the bottom button will allow you to lower the music. So up to increase the music and down to lower the music. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.